Nasdaq 100 traded in range throughout the week and towards the end of the week has shown a good bullish momentum, closing above the previous week's close levels, indicating that there is a possibility of a reversal. So what can be expected next week? Can we expect it to fly, or is it going to crash again? Which position you should take in order to profit next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy, so do watch till the end. And also remember, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the daily analysis for Nasdaq 100, which I share twice in the day, once with the US session, next with the Asia session. So twice in a day, I update the targets for Nasdaq 100. Now look at Nasdaq 100's weekly charts. You can find that double bottom is formed and it has taken a reversal since then. It has closed above the previous week's closing. Now I'll be looking forward for it to break past 11,100 and then 11,250. If these two levels are taken, then we will see it hitting 11,400, and then in fact it can try to achieve further highs till towards 11,600. And yes, in few weeks from now, we can see it crossing past 12,000 also. But this zone is important for Tech 100. It has to break past this zone. Now, this zone right now limiting it till towards 11,800 and 10,800 level. These 1,000 points are going to be important for Tech 100, because see this, it has respected this downward line till date since last uh, 12 months. So I'll wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. But this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts too. On the daily charts too, it has taken the support from the bottom of this channel. In fact, you can see here it has formed the double bottom there, but however, it is fairly traded in range since last few days or couple of weeks. Now it has to break past this zone at 11,100 and then 11,250. If these two are taken, same observation, if these two are taken, we can see it flying high further till towards 11,500, which is going to be an important and critical resistance level, beyond which definitely it will fly for 12,000 plus levels. So similar observation, nothing different till date. If you see from here, since October, Tech 100 is trading in this channel itself, 10,600, 10,500 to 12,000 level. For this 1,500 points, Tech 100 is showing us good swings. Now it has formed a bottom here, looking forward to a reversal. Similar observation. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts too, it has formed almost or achieved almost the same levels of lows what it has seen in the month of December. Now looking forward to a reversal, trading above 11,250. Certainly you can expect it to fly more, and possibly in the month of January itself we can expect it to fly a little higher. It may try to in fact achieve 11,500, and if, because see, three candles closing at the same levels, possibly we can see it flying further highs, trading about 12,000 levels. This is another observation here on the monthly charts. Also, it is taking the support from this long-term bottom line. Now, this is one observation here on the monthly charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? If you look at the indicator on the daily charts, you can find out, see the 20 period moving average giving it a very good resistance at 11,100. It has to trade above this, then certainly this 20 period moving average might also cross over on the upside, and possibly it needs to break past 11,400 500 zone, where the 50 and 100 period moving average are sitting together. Possibly once it trades above this zone, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen in Tech 100, and then beyond 11,500 definitely we may see it flying further highs. At the same time, on the downside, remember this fact, at the same time on the downside, once you see it trading below 10,800 again, possibly below these levels, you can expect another round of good drop. Now see, the directional movement so far was bearish. It is trying to converge a bit. The stochastic, after dropping a bit, looking upwards now. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish crossover. See, it has seen the, if you look at this movement, sharp movement from top to bottom. Now see reversal, and see same levels where it has seen the highs plus 200, almost achieving minus 200. It is trying to reverse, so we can see a bullish momentum possibly from here. This is my expectation. Already MACD has crossed over. This is indicating possible rise from here. RSI is also looking upwards, showing strength. And if you look at the weekly chart, Now look at the weekly charts route. The 20 weeks average is at 11,500. It needs to break past this, and then on the upside, the 50 and 100 period moving average are far away and are divergent. This is indicating little bearishness. So be careful till the time it trades about 12,000, 12,400 level. And for next week, definitely it appears possibly we may see it reversing from here. See, it is trading bearish since this on the weekly charts, and now it is the time where it may try to converge crossover in order to trade bullish. The stochastic is oversold, it is curving upwards, possibly it may try to trade bullish from here. My expectation is for rise. The MACD is in green, it may diverge. RSI is also curving upwards on the weekly charts. Now coming to the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, we can see once again, so see everywhere, whether be it daily, weekly or monthly charts, 11,500 is the levels which I will look forward to. Only and only if it trades beyond 11,500, we can expect further bullish momentum in Nasdaq 100, where it may try to go past 12,000 levels in the month of January. Be careful there. At the same time, trading below 10,800, it may call for little more bearishness. Now look at Nasdaq 100 throughout 2022, it has been trading with very little divergence on the sell side. So possibly it may converge and crossover, but I will wait for it to observe more for next couple of months. The stochastic is trading at bottom, and from here it is still yet to decide a direction. So let's see how it behaves this coming week. This is going to be an important week which will set the direction for Nasdaq 100, and this may imply that possibly it could signal a reversal from here. The MACD is sharply divergent and bearish. It has completed the journey till here. And see, the candle size is also seen the peak. Possibly it may converge from here. And this also indicating that for next couple of months or so, we may see little bullishness in Tech 100 also. See, for years it has been trading overbought, and after a while now it has come back to comfortable levels. So even if it tries to retrace in the later half of the year, there is a possibility of a drop. So yes, this month, in the coming week specifically, if you see it trading above 11,100, you can buy, and then beyond 11,100 there is a little resistance at 11,250. If these two levels are taken, you can stay long for Nasdaq 100, and then you can expect 11,500 is the first target, and beyond that, for the rest of the month, you can expect it to hit 12,000 levels again, which is going to be 12,000, 12,400 is going to be the next and strongest resistance. Be careful with your short entries. It is appearing to be bearish. However, remember it is oversold. All signs are for it to revive a bit, and hence keep your shorts either hedged or trade with caution on the short side. Now, still trade with the levels. Now, let's have a look at the trading levels and a strategy for next week. And yes, if you want to be a part of my mentorship batch starting 9th of January, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. Both are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, this mentorship batch will help you identify the trades, will equip you with right tools and strategies such that you can find out profitable trades easily and trade with confidence. So reach out to me for more details on same. Now let's have a look at the trading levels for next week. It has closed at 11,025 levels. I will recommend you to buy at 11,110. If it breaks past this, stay long, and then I will look forward to 11,240. This is going to be the next target. And if it breaks past this, you can stay long for 11,400 and 11,500. Now, if these two levels are taken, you can stay long in Nasdaq 100 for this week. For the coming week, you can expect it to hit 11,710, 11,840, and then 12,000 levels again in the coming few weeks, maybe if not this week. This is one part to it, but till 11,500 you should not consider. In fact, in the long term, 12,400 is the level only above which it is going to be considered as bullish, and then you can expect 14, 15,000 levels also. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 10,970 levels, but remember 10,920, 10,980. This is 10,920, 10,880. This is going to be an important resistance zone for Nasdaq 100, and only if it breaks below this, still you can expect 10,800 and 10,670, 700 zone. this is going to be the strongest resistance which you have seen so far. Tech 100 taking the support from these levels 10,670, 700. So first at 10,800, then 10,670, 700. It is going to get maximum support. Below that, again, we will see a crash for 10,450 levels. And if you see it dropping, trade with caution till 10,880, 800 as possibility of a reversal exists from there. However, I see a gap up opening and I see it to trade bullish possibility exists. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon and join my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.